Top 11 Home Remedies for Acid Reflux. Kung bago ka pa sa channel na ito, huwag mo kalimutang mag-like at i-subscribe na rin at i-hit mo rin ang bell para maging updated ka sa mga bago kong video. Apple Cider Vinegar. Take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother and add half a cup of water to this. The mixture has to be taken before every meal to keep the stomach relaxed and calm and to prevent the other activity of the digestive juices. Take this mixture at least half an hour before every meal to prevent as well as treat acid reflux disease. Baking soda. Take a tablespoon of baking soda and this in a glass of water. Soon the solution will start fizzing. Drink it immediately for immediate relief. However, baking soda must be taken with great caution. It can cause problems for the people who have hypertension and those who are restricted on a non-sodium diet. Speak to your doctor about the safety of this home remedy before you take it when you have disease and condition. Licorice. Licorice root work by acting as a protective sheet around the stomach walls, and this will prevent acid reflux disease from troubling you. Licorice root gel or supplement can be taken in a tincture for our extra or as a tea for making use to its medicinal properties. Take the herbal remedy before meals or as directed by the herbalist. The protective gel that forms around the stomach walls will also prevent the walls from getting damaged due to severe and the frequent acid reflux. Aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera can be collected from the aloe plants, and a quarter cup can be taken every morning or before meals. To protect your stomach walls from acid reflux disease, make sure that the juice is organic and not a synthetic one. Ginger. Ginger can be peeled, then grated, sliced, diced, or shaved to use when cooking. It can be eaten raw, steeped in water to make ginger tea, or added to a soup, stir-fry, salad, or other meals. Ginger is also available in powder capsule, oil, and tea form. The most important thing to remember to take ginger in moderation, sticking to around 4 grams, a bit less than 1/8 of a cup. Should be enough to give you some relief without making symptoms worse. You can also split this up and take divided dosage throughout the day. Warning, taking more than 4 grams of ginger 24 hours period because additional heartburn. Fennel seeds. As acid reflux disease is more prone to crop up after a heavy and spicy meal, it is the best to chew a few fennel seeds after every meal to prevent its occurrence and also to aid in better digestive health. Lavender and aniseed. Lavender and aniseed is equal quantities and add 1 teaspoon of this mixture into 20 ounces of boiling water. Allow the mixture to steep for 10 minutes. Cool and take 1 cup in the morning and 1 at night. Cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of cumin seed can be boiled with 1 liter of water. This can be taken throughout the day, especially after meals, to release gas and also to prevent bacterial buildup, which can lead to acid reflux disease later. Almonds. Take 4 to 5 almonds and chew well before swallowing them. Skim milk. After your meals, you make sure that you cold the skim milk and take a glass of it. Coconut oil. After every meal, or when you are troubled by acid reflux disease, you can sip on a tender coconut and attain relief instantly. Okay guys, huwag mo kalimutang mag-like at isubscribe ang channel na to. At i-hit mo na rin ng bell para maging update ka sa mga bago kong videos. Naway may natutunan kayong kaalaman at may na-share akong kaalaman sa inyo. At maraming salamat sa panunood. Hanggang sa muli, Mahanik TV Vlog. Top 10 Home Remedies. Top 11 Home Remedies for acid reflux disease. Huwag mong kalimutan mag-like, share, at subscribe na rin at i-hit mo na rin ng bell para mag-update ka sa mga bagong videos. Thank you for watching Mahanik TV Vlog.